In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change Halifax credit card PIN. If you want to refresh your code for better security or simply switch to something easier to remember, this is a quick and straightforward process. We'll walk through doing it at a cash machine, and I'll also explain how the Halifax mobile banking app can help if you need to view your current PIN or request a replacement online. Start by heading to any UK cash machine that shows the link symbol. This network includes a wide range of ATMs you'll find at supermarkets, high streets, and petrol stations, not just bank branches. Take your Halifax credit card with you and make sure you know your current PIN before you begin. When you arrive, insert your card and enter that current PIN. As always, shield the keypad with your hand to keep your information private, and double check that the machine clearly displays the link logo so you know it's part of the trusted network. Once you're in the main menu, look for PIN services. The exact wording on screen may vary slightly by machine, but you'll see an option clearly related to your PIN. Select that, then choose the option to change your PIN. The machine will prompt you to enter a new 4-digit code and then ask you to confirm it a second time to make sure it matches. Pick a number that's memorable to you but difficult for others to guess. Avoid obvious choices like repeating digits, birthdays, or anything someone could easily link to you. If both entries match, the machine will confirm the change. Wait for the on-screen message to finish, then remove your card. Keep your new PIN to yourself and give yourself a moment to memorize it before you leave. If you're unsure of your current PIN, the Halifax mobile banking app can help. You can view your current PIN instantly within the app, which is handy if you haven't used the card in a while. And if you need a replacement because your PIN is compromised or you simply want a fresh start, you can request a new one online through Halifax's services. This gives you a secure alternative without visiting a branch. And that's it. Use any UK cash machine with the link symbol, insert your card and current PIN, go to PIN services, choose to change your PIN, then enter and confirm your new code. With the mobile app available to view your current PIN or request a replacement online, you have flexible, secure ways to manage your Halifax credit card.